Every year, millions of travelers face the nightmare of losing their luggage. In fact, the 2022 SITA Baggage IT Insights report reveals that over 25 million bags are mishandled worldwide. That's one bag every 2 seconds. It's a staggering number when you think about it. But why does this keep happening, even with all the technology available today? What if I told you that simple mistakes you make while packing could be the reason your bag goes missing? Or that the busiest airports in the world are some of the worst offenders? In this video, we're going to reveal the shocking truth about why your bags get lost, and, more importantly, how you can avoid becoming one of the millions of unlucky travelers. Stay tuned as we break down the real reasons behind lost luggage and show you exactly what you can do to keep your bags safe on your next trip. Chapter 1. The Hidden Truth. Why luggage gets lost in the first place. Lost luggage can be a nightmare, but do you ever wonder why it happens so often? Surprisingly, it's not just bad luck. According to a report from the 2022 SITA Baggage IT Insights, about 5.57 bags per thousand passengers were mishandled in 2021. That's a huge number considering how many flights take off every day. So, what's going on behind the scenes? It turns out, bags can go missing due to simple human errors, such as incorrect baggage handling or loading errors. Imagine a flight where there's a tight connection, and the baggage doesn't make it in time. Some airports have so many flights arriving and departing at once that it becomes a juggling act. Airline staff sometimes mix up the baggage tags, sending your suitcase to the wrong city without even realizing it. Also, poorly trained staff, rushed operations, or even mechanical errors in baggage handling systems can cause major delays or mishaps. Baggage is often transferred from one plane to another at hubs. If that transfer is delayed or missed, your bag may never make it to your final destination. The chain of events leading to a lost bag is often complex. But even so, many of these incidents could be avoided with better planning and smarter tracking. Chapter 2. Baggage Chaos. The top airports that lose your bags, and why. Some airports are notorious for losing bags, and it's no surprise when you look at the numbers. According to the 2022 SITA report, airports with high traffic, like London Heathrow and Dubai International, had the most mishandled baggage. Airports that are massive hubs tend to have more congestion, which increases the likelihood of mistakes. Heathrow, for example, handles over 80 million passengers every year. That's a lot of bags to manage. In places like Dubai, the situation is similar. Baggage handlers may struggle to get your suitcase on the correct flight in the sea of thousands of bags. Even minor delays at one of these airports can cause a chain reaction that results in luggage being left behind. Smaller airports, on the other hand, might not have the sophisticated baggage systems to handle high volumes efficiently, which could lead to more mix-ups. Here's an interesting fact. Airports like Hong Kong International, with state-of-the-art baggage systems, have significantly fewer instances of lost luggage. Their highly automated process ensures baggage is tracked through every stage of travel. On the other hand, older, manual systems at certain airports are far more prone to human error, making those bags harder to track if something goes wrong. Chapter 3. The 5 things you're doing that make your luggage more likely to get lost. Many travelers unknowingly make mistakes that increase the chances of their bags going missing. The first mistake is failing to label your bag properly. A flimsy tag might fall off or get damaged during handling. Invest in durable, legible luggage tags, and always include multiple copies of your contact information inside your bag. The second mistake is overpacking your luggage. Airlines are strict about weight limits. When your bag is overloaded, it can easily tear open, causing delays and confusion. Keep it light and organized, and avoid heavy items that could damage your luggage. Third, always choose a unique and noticeable bag. Luggage that blends in with the crowd is more likely to get mishandled or sent to the wrong place. Consider a brightly colored suitcase or attach a distinct accessory to your bag, so it's easy to identify at baggage claim. The fourth mistake is not considering the connections in your flight. If you're changing planes quickly, your bag might not make the next leg of the journey. Allow for ample time between flights to ensure your luggage has a better chance of making the connection. Lastly, don't ignore the importance of a travel insurance policy that covers lost luggage. You might think your bag will never get lost, but with 26 million bags lost worldwide every year, Having protection gives you peace of mind. Take the extra step to secure your belongings. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like these. You don't want to miss out on keeping your travel stress-free. Chapter 4. Tech to the rescue. How modern innovations keep your luggage safe. Technology is revolutionizing the way we keep track of our luggage. One example is smart luggage equipped with GPS trackers. These devices allow you to track your bag's exact location through your phone in real time. For example, in 2020, Delta Airlines began using RFID, radio frequency identification, to track luggage. This system is much more accurate than the old barcode method, and it ensures that your luggage is scanned at every step of the journey. You can also find luggage with built-in alarms that go off when your bag is moved without your permission. This can give travelers an added sense of security when traveling internationally. Some travelers even use Bluetooth-enabled tags that can sync with your phone to alert you if your bag is left behind or if it's not on the same plane as you. In fact, a 2019 study by the European Travel Commission found that 55% of travelers would feel more comfortable if airlines used technology to track bags throughout the entire flight journey. The future of luggage looks even brighter with AI-powered apps and tracking tools. The possibilities are endless, and these innovations are making lost luggage a thing of the past. Chapter 5. Luggage Roulette. What happens to your bag after it's checked in? You may be surprised by what actually happens to your luggage once it leaves your hands. After check-in, your bag takes a journey through a complex network of conveyor belts, scanners, and baggage handlers. At large airports, this process can involve multiple stops before reaching your final destination. First, your bag is weighed, tagged, and scanned for security checks. From there, it's loaded onto a conveyor belt system that moves it toward the plane. If your bag is going through a transfer point, it will be unloaded and placed on another belt to be put on the next flight. In major hubs, the process can take over an hour, especially if the airport is facing delays or weather-related disruptions. Meanwhile, airport workers and automated systems track your bag's location at every step, though human error can still lead to a mix-up. It's no wonder that bags sometimes get left behind. Just one missed connection or oversight can lead to a frustrating baggage claim experience. Interestingly, many airlines use scanners to keep track of baggage, but not all of these systems are as precise as they need to be. Some older systems still rely on barcodes, which can get damaged or unreadable. A small glitch in the system can lead to bags being sent to the wrong place without anyone realizing it. Chapter 6. The Ultimate Bag Insurance. How to get your lost luggage back. So, what happens if your bag does get lost? The first thing to do is stay calm and report it immediately to the airline. Many airlines now have dedicated baggage claim centers, where you can track the progress of your missing luggage. It's important to have your bag's tracking number, which will help the airline quickly locate it. The key here is acting quickly and not waiting for too long to report it. Next, make sure to take note of the compensation options available to you. Under the Montreal Convention, airlines are obligated to compensate passengers for lost, delayed, or damaged baggage. The compensation is usually a fixed amount based on the distance of your flight, but it can take some time to process. Be patient but persistent. In addition, many travel insurance policies cover lost luggage. So, if your bag doesn't show up, you can often get a reimbursement for the items inside, as well as for the bag itself. It's always worth checking if your travel insurance covers baggage loss before you travel. Finally, if you travel frequently, it might be worth investing in a premium service with the airline that offers priority handling for your luggage, reducing the chances of your bag going missing. By using these strategies, you're not only reducing the risk of losing your bag, but also ensuring that you'll have a plan in place if things go wrong. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe for more travel hacks and insider secrets to make your trips stress-free and smooth.